Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. You know, for so many years I've been talking about the birds and the bees, helping people understand that a good and healthy sex life is important. It's not something to be ashamed of. Today, we're diving into an important topic: how to have a long-lasting sex life with your partner. Because let me tell you something, it's not just about finding someone attractive, it's about building a connection that lasts. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more informative content. Communication is key. First things first, you've got to communicate. It's the cornerstone of any healthy relationship, and it becomes even more crucial when it comes to your intimate life. And no, I don't just mean saying yes or no in the bedroom. It's about having those deeper conversations that go beyond the surface level. I'm talking about really opening up to your partner about your needs, your desires, your fantasies, everything. This kind of openness can create a stronger bond and a more fulfilling relationship. Believe me, this is the foundation of a good sex life. When you communicate openly, you build trust and understanding, which are essential for intimacy. You see, many couples, they're afraid to talk about sex, they're shy, embarrassed, they worry about being judged or misunderstood. But let me tell you, there's nothing to be ashamed of. Everyone has their own preferences and boundaries, and it's perfectly normal to discuss them. Sex is a natural, beautiful part of life, and talking about it with your partner can actually bring you closer together. It can enhance your connection and make your relationship more resilient. So how do you start? Well, find a time when you're both relaxed and comfortable, maybe after a nice dinner or a relaxing bath. The setting can make a big difference in how open and honest you can be. And then, just start talking. It might feel awkward at first, but the more you do it, the easier it will become. Tell your partner what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to try. Be honest and open, but also be kind and considerate. And listen to them when they do the same. Pay attention to their words, their body language, and their emotions. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's about giving and receiving, talking and listening. It's not just about talking, it's also about listening. Really listen to what your partner is saying, and try to understand their perspective. This mutual understanding can lead to a deeper connection and a more satisfying relationship. So, take the time to communicate with your partner. It might just be the key to unlocking a happier, healthier, and more intimate relationship. Now, darlings, let's talk about physical health. It's a topic that's often overlooked when discussing intimacy, but it's incredibly important. You know, a healthy body leads to a healthy sex life. When you take care of your body, you're not just improving your physical health, but also your emotional and mental well-being. It's simple. When you feel good physically, you feel more energetic, more alive, and yes, more in the mood. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. These endorphins can help reduce stress and anxiety, making you feel happier and more relaxed. So what can you do? Well, first of all, get moving. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Regular exercise is so important. It helps to keep your heart healthy, your muscles strong, and your mind sharp. Plus, it can be a fun way to spend time together as a couple. It doesn't have to be anything too strenuous, just something to get your heart rate up and your blood flowing. Even a simple walk in the park can do wonders for your health. A brisk walk, a swim, a dance class, whatever you enjoy. The key is to find something that you both like and can do together. This not only improves your physical health but also strengthens your bond as a couple. And of course, we can't forget about diet. What you put into your body has a direct impact on how you feel and function. You are what you eat, you know, and a healthy diet will do wonders for your libido. Eating a balanced diet rich in nutrients can boost your energy levels and improve your overall health. Make sure you're eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. These foods provide the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs to function at its best. And drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining your energy levels and keeping your body functioning properly. Now I know what you're thinking. Dr. Ruth, this is supposed to be about sex, not a health lecture. But hear me out. But trust me, taking care of your physical health is one of the best things you can do for your sex life. When you feel good physically, it translates into feeling good emotionally and mentally, which in turn enhances your intimacy and connection with your partner. So, keep moving, eat well, and stay hydrated. Your body and your love life will thank you. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about spicing things up in the bedroom. Even the best relationships can get a little, shall we say, routine after a while. And in the bedroom, routine can be the enemy of excitement. So, what can you do? Well, don't be afraid to try new things. This could be anything from trying a new position to introducing some toys into the bedroom. Remember, the most important thing is that you and your partner are both comfortable and enjoying yourselves. And don't forget about the power of surprise. A little bit of spontaneity can go a long way. Surprise your partner with a romantic evening or whisk them away for a weekend getaway. The key is to keep things fresh and exciting. Chapter 4. Last but not least, let's talk about emotional intimacy. Emotional intimacy is the bedrock of any meaningful relationship. It's what allows couples to connect on a level that goes beyond the physical, creating a bond that can withstand the test of time. You see, a truly fulfilling sex life is about more than just physical pleasure. It's about feeling understood, valued, and cherished by your partner. When you laugh together, share your joys and sorrows, and hold hands, you are building a connection that is both deep and enduring. It's about connecting with your partner on a deeper level. This connection is what makes the physical aspects of your relationship more meaningful and satisfying. When you look into each other's eyes and embrace, you are not just sharing a moment, you are sharing a piece of your soul. So, how do you build emotional intimacy? It starts with being open and honest with each other. Discuss your thoughts, your dreams, and even your fears. These conversations can bring you closer and help you understand each other better. Well, it starts with communication. Communication is the key to unlocking the door to emotional intimacy. When you talk openly and honestly, you create a safe space where both partners feel heard and understood. Talk to each other about your feelings, your fears, your dreams. Share your innermost thoughts and listen to theirs. This mutual exchange of feelings and ideas is what builds a strong emotional foundation. Share your thoughts and listen to theirs. Listening is just as important as talking. When you truly listen, you show your partner that you value their perspective and that you care about what they have to say. Spend quality time together, doing things you both enjoy. Whether it's cooking a meal together, going for a walk, or simply sitting in silence, these moments of togetherness strengthen your bond. Go on dates, cuddle on the couch, just be present with each other. Being present means giving your full attention to your partner, making them feel valued and loved. And don't forget about the importance of touch. Physical touch is a powerful way to communicate love and affection. It can convey feelings that words sometimes cannot. Holding hands, hugging, kissing, these are all ways to show your partner you care and to strengthen your emotional bond. These small gestures of affection can make a big difference in how connected you feel. Remember, a strong emotional connection is the foundation of a healthy and fulfilling sex life. When you nurture your emotional bond, you create a relationship that is rich, rewarding, and resilient. So there you have it, my darlings. 4 tips for a long-lasting and fulfilling sex life with your partner. Remember, communication is key. Take care of yourselves both physically and emotionally, and don't be afraid to try new things. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tips and advice, and most importantly, have fun. See you in the next one.